Okay, so we're still working with is it fair and working on a math vocabulary, and it's still sorting, very similar to one of our other activities that we've done. So if you get the physical cards, here are the directions, very similar to what I'm getting ready to show you now on this Jamboard. So there would be different sets of cards, A through D. There'll be a rule card that tells you how to sort your cards. And then, of course, you would sort them and then you can check your answers. So on your first one, it says cards that show halves and cards that do not show halves. Your cards are at the bottom here, and I'm just going to pick two random cards. So halves, that vocabulary, when we fold our paper in half, that means there are two pieces. So we do have two pieces, but remember when we're talking about fractional pieces, they have to be equal. Are these the same size? If you were splitting this with someone, would you be getting the exact same amount? No. Therefore, that card would be over here. This card does not show halves. Now I'm going to pick another card. Do I have two pieces? I do. So that does fit the definition of halves. The other part, though, we have to ask, are the pieces the same? Looks the same. So that would be sorted over here. You would continue to sort all of your cards. When you finish this, then you would go to the next slide. And this says cards that show fourths. And again, we have that small word inside there, four. That lets me know I'm looking for things that have four pieces, right? So I'm just going to pick a random card. Does this have four pieces? It doesn't. So I automatically know this is not technically fourths. Okay, so let me pick out this one. Does this have four pieces? Again, it does not. So that would go over here. And so you would continue to sort all of your cards. And then you go to the next one. This time we're talking about the shaded pieces. So I'm going to look up here. And it says shaded area is 1/2. Well, half means two pieces. I do have two pieces. But is this 1/2? Because remember, it has to be equal, the same amount. Is it? It is not. So I'd put that over here. You would continue to do that on all the other cards. And then you would go to the last one. Shaded area is 1/4. Shaded area is not 1/4. And again, you would sort these accordingly to look for that.